Welcome to Snoopreport Anonymous Tools Guide for Instagram. Let's see how to browse and track someone's activity on Instagram anonymously. We will start with the obvious first, the Instagram story. To watch an account Instagram story, go to an Instagram viewer tool website, for example, instastories.online. Just copy the account URL and paste the link into the search bar. Click on the story you want to view or download. Now let's go beyond viewing Instagram stories. Snoopreport lets you track anyone's activity on Instagram. With both tools, snooping has never been easier. Go to snoopreport.com. Fill in your details and register your account. To start snooping, search for any user and add them to your account. And that's it. To see the user activity, go to their report. And you will be able to see what they like, who they like, the content they engage with, hashtags, and more. You will receive a weekly report of the full week's activity. All data is archived, so you can see their past activity as well. To start using Snoopreport, you need to subscribe to a plan. Go to Plans and choose a plan depending on how many users you need to track. Now you can easily monitor anyone's activity on Instagram anonymously.